Welcome to Tech Engineered. Today I'm going to be showing you how to clean your mechanical keyboard. To do this, we're going to need some supplies. I'd recommend having a handheld vacuum just to get the big stuff out of the keyboard after you get the keys off. To get the keys off, it's nice to have a credit card, or here's my boating license. And also having a long, small flathead screwdriver is also very handy to get under the keys. Also having a damp paper towel just to wipe off any dust and dirt that you find inside. You also want to have something to take a picture of the keyboard with so that you can get it back together. And of course, you need the keyboard. Another good thing to have is music, because this is a very tedious task. Having music just helps pass the time. To remove a key from the keyboard, it's fairly simple. A lot of times you can just pull them off. Sometimes you need to get something wedged underneath it. But the rule of thumb is just never take it off at an angle. You just want to take the key straight up and off. And it depends on your keyboard. Some are very easy to pull off, such as this one. Others you might need to get a credit card under there and then use 2 fingers on the other side of the key to pop it up and off without damaging the key switch. Or sometimes you even need a little screwdriver to get under the other side and kind of go at it with both of these. But just make sure you pull it straight off and it should be fine. Once you have the keys off, then it's just a matter of vacuuming and wiping all the dirt and stuff away, and I assume that you guys don't really need a tutorial on that. It's just basic cleaning. If you do get it pretty wet using a damp paper towel, I would recommend letting it dry before you use it, but you shouldn't have to worry about getting it wet and ruining it so long as it's not connected to power. I also like to kind of go by zones. I don't like taking all the keys off the keyboard at once, unless I'm doing a major cleaning. If you're doing a major cleaning, you'll probably want to soak the keys in soapy water. But if I'm just doing a light cleaning, I'll do it in zones and do all the function keys, do the numpad, do all that separately so I don't have a bunch of keys pulled off the keyboard at one time, and it just makes it easier to get back together. So without further ado, here's a time lapse of me cleaning my keyboard. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Hopefully you guys have some clean keyboards now, because that can be a major problem. If you got a dirty keyboard, it just bugs the heck out of me. So if you did like this, I'm going to go ahead and leave a channel icon right here. You can click on that and check out the channel, subscribe if you want to. Also, there's going to be a video over in this area. Go ahead and click on that if you want to watch it. It'll be whatever my latest video was. But for now, you guys have a wonderful day.